And we'll be back. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am sorry the background is so dark. There is a huge thunderstorm right now and it is like nighttime outside and it's not even 2 p.m. So it's really dark back there. I apologize. But let's move on to today's video. This eye look, you guys, is probably one of my favorites. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I have swatches all over. Just this, it's not a bruise, that's this eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, this collection is so pretty. Oh my god. So, oh, hello. She makes an appearance in most of the video, you guys, but she's not feeling very good, so she's being super clingy and lovey-dovey, which is okay with me because I get more hugs! And I love hugs! Oh. Okay, so I am doing a collection from Midas Cosmetics and Your Glam by Julie, and it's the Midas X Julie Temptations collection. Now the entire collection retails for $40 and I'm going to show you everything that's in it. Actually, one of them's on my eyes. It's the eyelashes. If you guys are interested in this, I do have a code you can use to save you 20%, and that is KEARA. I'll link it above. Sorry, I'm holding my daughter, so that's why I'm at a weird angle. But you guys, let me show you everything in this collection. It's absolutely stunning. You guys are gonna love it. If you haven't tried Midas's formula, pigment. So this collection has 5 beautiful glitters. It's called the Entice Glitter Collection. Flirty, which is a really pretty hot bubblegum pink, and it's got some iridescent flakes in there as well. And then there is Dreams, which is a really pretty bubblegum pink again with some green big glitters in there. Excuse my nasty nails. And then there is Naked, which is a beautiful gold. And these two I'm actually wearing on my eyes. There is Diamond Dust, which is this inner color here, which is a green taupe glitter. And then there is Midnight, which is black glitter with these kind of medium green blue shifting flakes. And that one is on the outer portion. So there's that, and then there's also these lashes, which are in the style Allure. So here they are. Alright, so there's actually 2 different kind of things to them. So if you look, there's one, and then there's a second one that pops out right on the top there. So it gives you some extra floofy volume. And then this palette, oh, it's delicious. So there is 2 sections to it. There's this kind of bright glam section, and then there's more of the neutral section. And you guys, it gives you so much variety in here. You can do warm tone looks, you can do cool tone looks, you can do warm and cool tone looks, you can do neutral looks, you can do colorful looks. You can go from bridal to Mardi Gras with this, and it's very versatile. The pigmentation is insane. I'm just going to show you a few here. So Virtue is a very beautiful shimmer. That's this whole inner part here. If you wet this, it turns into a glistening dream of glisteningness. It's beautiful. I'm going to do Midnight, which is this blue. I mean, Glam, which is the most sparkly shade in the palette. It's a really beautiful pink. And then this is a very interesting color, and not a lot of people make this color, so I'm definitely doing Allure. It's like a khaki green. It's really beautiful. So here's those 4 shades. Now, as usual, I do product shots. I'm going to show you the product shots for the palette and the glitters. So here they are. I absolutely love doing product shots, you guys. I did these first before I did this video, and it took me a couple days to get this up because I've been sick. So here it is finally, and it's one of my favorite eye looks ever. Oh my god. I love this eye look so much. I'm in love with my eyeballs. But you guys, if you would like to see this look, then just keep watching. What is happening on my eye, y'all? What? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is the most epic blue I have in my entire collection. I'm not even trying to butter it up. I am completely in love with this blue. F yes! I wish I could say that word on my channel because that's how I feel. Okay, I am about to cut my crease, but I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes real quick. And I'm going to use Midnight Blue by Bodyography. I believe I got this in a beauty box subscription, but it's a really pretty color and it goes perfectly with this look. So I'm going to actually clean this up with makeup remover and then cut my crease with the ABH primer. And then I'm gonna come back and we'll start with a clean cut crease. There is some fallout with the Virtue shade. It is a very kind of loose shimmer. It's pretty chunky. So it really just sweeps right off. It's very, very easy to sweep right off. I am going in with the Entice glitter collection. I'm just going to use good old-fashioned NYX glitter primer. I'm going in with Diamond Dust, and then I'm going in with Midnight. I am going in with the lashes that are part of this collection. They are the Allure lashes. I don't know why I'm showing you the box. There's the name, you're welcome. Here's what the lashes actually look like. And I will post a quick picture for you guys so you can see them before I actually put them on. They're really beautiful. They're very full. They look like they are really, really long in the middle, and then they're more tapered on the inside and the outside, but they do have the longest length right there in the middle. So they are very romantic. I'm wearing them on this eye. They're very comfortable. You can't feel them whatsoever. It's a very thin band, very flexible. Now what I like to do is wrap my lashes around the end of a really thin makeup brush, and I let them sit there for a couple minutes so they can curl. Exactly to my eye. And these are really long, so I definitely had to trim them. So I'm going to put these on and we'll be back for the rest of the face. So for my blush, I am actually going to go in with a kind of a nude blush, and yes, I'm actually going in with a nude lipstick today. What? This is a very intense eye look. I want it all to be the focus. So I'm going in with Learn from this Tarte Double Duty Beauty. That's my daughter. She's eating fruit snacks and she's enjoying herself, living her best life as a 3-year-old. Hi, baby. Do you want to say hi? Say bye-bye. Okay. If you have not tried Tarte blushes, they are one of my favorite formulas, and they have such a variety of blushes. They smell like vanilla cake. I mean, who doesn't want that on their face? Okay, so for highlight, this is something that's quite similar to the shade here, actually. If you look at them together, they're pretty similar. This is the Milani Afterglow in Strobe Light. It's very subtle, but it does have a hint of like a silvery pink, like the actual eyeshadow did. Alright, and lastly for lips, my daughter wants to come back up. I am actually using a lipstick I've never tried before. This is the NYX Matte lipstick, and this is in the color Shy, and this is a very nude lipstick, so let's do this. Rare event on my channel, daughter. Oh, hi, baby. I love you.
I love you, Mommy.
No. I love you.
I love you.
What? That was actually really nude, so I'm just putting a gloss over the top. This is Virgo from Wet n Wild's Zodiac collection, and it just turned it a little bit more pink and a little less corpsey. She really wants to be in. So that is all I have for you guys. Remember, if you guys like anything from Midas, you can use my code to save you some money, Keara, and it is good on everything on the Midas website. It is so big. And that is all I have for today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!